start with photosynthesis. Most of us have heard about cellular respiration, but not many people know how they work. Fun fact, I used to not be able to say photosynthesis. Or hypothesis. It's really not good when you're a scientist. Let's start with photosynthesis, which is the process of synthesizing sugar using light energy. It's in the name. Photo, light, synthesis, making stuff. It's mostly done by plants, but there are many bacteria and even some animals that can perform photosynthesis. They are called photoautotrophs, which means they can make their own food with the help of light energy. But to make it short, we'll be focusing on how plants photosynthesize. This is the overall reaction for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, water, and energy in the form of photons from the sun yield glucose, a sugar, oxygen, and water. Plants take in carbon dioxide through structures in the leaves called stomata, singular stoma. This is the site of gas exchange. This is how carbon dioxide is absorbed and oxygen is expelled. Stomata are sort of like the lungs of a plant. The water is mostly absorbed by the roots of the plants, and light energy is supplied by the sun. Plants capture this light energy using pigments. The main pigment is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the reason plants appear green because it reflects green light into our eyes, so it absorbs the other colors of the spectrum. Plants have many pigments which absorb all different colors of light. This allows the plant to capture more energy and thus make more sugar. Light energy is then used to synthesize adenosine triphosphate, ATP for short. This molecule is used for chemical energy. The phosphate groups can be broken off, which release energy. This energy is used for stuff like DNA replication, sugar synthesis, and pretty much everything. Making glucose from carbon dioxide is endothermic. It takes energy to make the bonds. This is where the ATP comes in. Carbon dioxide goes through the Calvin cycle, which does a bunch of unimportant stuff and makes glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which goes through gluconeogenesis to make glucose. Basically, 2G3P molecules do the Beatles and come together to make a glucose molecule. Energy from ATP is used to form the bonds. That's pretty oversimplified. There's a lot of enzymes and a lot of other stuff that goes into photosynthesis. Just remember that this is the overall reaction. There's a lot of intermediate steps. But enough about photosynthesis. On to cellular respiration! In part 2, that is.